All right, y'all, this is a before and after video of the patio. This is all concrete. Go ahead and step over here to the side so y'all can see it. As y'all can see it, we just got done pressure washing it yesterday. It's already different colors. Right now, I'm gonna brush it off and use the dryer. I mean, not the dryer, the air blower to basically make sure there's no excess dirt on this. We're also gonna paint that little wooden spot. Then I'm gonna sweep over it again. I'm gonna use this. Oh, bless me. And then we're gonna put the first coat of paint on it with a little mixture of water between the paint and the water. I'm gonna show you guys what paint we're using. But we just wanted to go ahead and show y'all the before and after video. I am not a professional. I do not usually do before and after videos, but I'm doing this patio, so I might as well show you guys. The sun, this is in the back of the house, so the sun doesn't actually hit the full ground. But yeah, y'all can see where it separates there when we hit it again with the pressure washer yesterday. That's why some of the rocks are kicked up and stuff. We got some cracks on here too. But yeah, those are all gonna get painted. So see y'all soon. Alright, y'all, so we just got done sweeping and blowing this off. Obviously, we might have to do this again one more time, just because we have to put this acid on this thing to kind of peel up this old paint. And once we put this acid on there, we're gonna let that sit for about a day. Then we're gonna actually put the first coat of paint on. So that was a little revision from what I told y'all before. But y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna record the process from beginning to end.
Muriatic acid. Look.
Yes, muriatic acid.
Look, you see how you see where it's wet? You say when you go across like that and you see it wet? You see where the line where it's dry and wet? When you come back across it, you want to go on top of that line. See how it went on top?
All right, guys, we sprayed all the acid on it. Not sure if y'all can see the different spots that's filled in, but sprayed the acid all over it. It's been 10 minutes. Now we're about to wash it off. So let's get it. All right, y'all, this is after the first coat has been rolled on. As you can see, I missed some spots. Didn't do it perfect. It's only my third time ever rolling out paint on concrete. So I think we're gonna go with 3 layers. I'll let y'all know if something changes, but this is the first layer. Yeah, it already looks 10 times better. We got the front up there painted too.